Hollywood right here. The Hollywood actor. Where did you get this? Alright, we're about to do its first start. Alright, so diff bolt number 2 has snapped in half. Transmission's good, everything is good. Done. Alright guys, we gotta bring the TEs back. Stickers are
I'm David, here to fix this paint.
Doing some paint correction on my grimy E36 we just took the stickers off of. Then we're gonna come back here, change some tires. Alright. Day 2 starts now. First shot, we're gonna fly by Ferrari of Seattle.
Where's the on-ramp? How close?
Stepping into the demo pod. All right, so we're inside the demo pod. We've got the Boss Audio Systems LXA5 head unit with Amazon Alexa built in. And like there's all this pressure, she's staring at me. Okay. You can have her navigate directions, tell you about the weather.
good. Hey, you're done. You blew the motor. What? You're done. That sounded like the engine falling to pieces, like metal breaking. Not good. In a predictable turn of events, somebody blew a motor.
Belt? Belt. What do you mean belt? It sounded like the belt broke.
You're done.
What? What do you mean? What? The belt, accessory belt. On that car? Yeah.
That sounded like the engine falling to pieces, like metal breaking.
Perfect.
Slap, and they shut it off.
It was definitely metal marble noise. Not good. Ladies and gentlemen, the king of blown 6-cylinders.
It's milky.
That could just be condensation.
Well, it could be condensation. Could be.
Because maybe it's not.
Is it not starting?
Well, it was blowing white smoke out the tailpipe.
It was blowing white smoke out. Well, no, there was a shitload of smoke from the tires.
It wasn't tires. Because it was coming out when you had stopped. Okay, now we're pushing the dead car. Welded diff chirping away. What do you think, Jonathan? What do you think? What are your thoughts?
Porsche life.
Oh yeah, windows.
Porsche life.
Porsche wouldn't do this.
Porsche life.
Well, something tells me that's the end of the night.
No way.
No, that thing does bring freaking smiles and grins.
Like the E36 now. As long as the E36 doesn't break down, we'll have Alright, I did want to call USA real quick. But
Oh, Zwing! Yeah, baby! Oh my God! Dude, this thing is filthy! Oh! Dude, that thing's sick! Fuck yeah, dude! Is that gonna be on the grill? Look at that, sick! Oh my God!
If you want to see it.
That is fucking bad. How did you get a fucking LS3 in that fucking thing?
Alright guys, so last night we took the cars out for a little rip on the viaduct before they tear that thing down over the next 6 months. And it looks like, I mean, our theory so far, what we think happened is that the tensioner failed, and so the timing chain skipped or jumped a few teeth, and that the valves are making love to the pistons. So what we're gonna do is take off the strut bar, remove the coil packs, take off the valve cover, and we'll see what we can find out, you know, just as far as carnage goes in here. And then we'll have to take out the radiator and take apart the front end of the motor, check out the timing situation.